Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint a very beautiful scenery on this canvas. So let's get started with this video. So guys, let me take colors out on my palette and today we need a lot of shades. I am painting the sky with a mix-up of cerulean blue and white color, and then I am going to draw a sketch of all the buildings using mix-up of burnt sienna and black color. The sketch is very easy guys. I am doing it directly with the brush as I am having a lot of practice. You can use pencil if you are not having that much practice. It is perfectly fine. Because everybody start with pencils and then move on to the brushes. As I'm done with the sketch, now I'm filling white paint in the buildings and mixing other shades where these are needed. These shades are yellow or blue or some kind of reddish in it. It is perfectly alright. You just need to fill white with a little bit tint of these shades. Now I am going to draw the tiles on the roof and windows in the buildings, and these buildings are having a lot of greenery around them, so I am also going to draw that. With painting I also want to tell you that if you have not subscribed to my channel then please subscribe guys. I really want to grow my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Now let me provide details to the house with white and blue shade, and for this I need few layers of paint to make my painting look realistic and stand out. After providing details to the floor and stairs, let us give details to the plants near the houses. I am using for this lemon yellow, cadmium yellow and green paint, all the shades of green, because plants are having a lot of shades of green in them. These plants are also having some flowers on them which are blue or red in shade. It is very easy to provide details using lighter shades on the top of dark shades. Just follow the strategy that you have to paint with the dark shades first, then you have to provide details using lighter ones on the top of them, as I'm doing in this video. Guys, this kind of paintings are very easy to paint. You just need to take brushes of different sizes and apply touches to the canvas, as I'm doing in this video. I am not thinking much, just applying the touches of needed shades on their right place, and the painting is turning out to be an amazing art piece. You can also do this with little knowledge of shades and little knowledge of the colors, and you can go with it simply. It is really easy artwork for beginners. It is perfect. After providing the details to the flowers and to the buildings, I am finishing the floor part. And after finishing this painting will be ready guys, and I am going to sign it, which is the best part. Guys, also I want to tell you that if there are any kind of queries or suggestions, please let me know in comments down below, because I really want to improve and you people are really going to be my power source for improvement. So give me suggestions for improvement. So guys, the painting is now ready. What do you think about this painting? Do let me know in the comment section and like this video. And you can subscribe this channel to watch more art videos, because I post new art videos every Friday. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep supporting, and you are amazing.